Hello everyone, how are you and welcome to another video of React Native Ultimate course. So guys, in today's video we will draw polygon. So first of all, what we will do on handle map press. So guys, on handle map press, um, we will append our polygon coordinates in the same field, polyline coordinates. So there is nothing much to change in this. So guys, here I will say if data dot active plot icons is equal to id, or what I can say, if it is greater than um, no id, and I will copy this and I will say is 3. So guys, 3 means that we are going to draw the polygon. Okay, so on the map press, whether you are drawing polyline, which is id2, and whether you are drawing polygon, which is id3, the polyline coordinates will be append. Okay, so this is the first condition. Now let's come inside our manage polyline controls. So in this controls, friends, what we will do, these two things will be same. Okay, we don't need to do anything, but I will say one more condition. Else if control id is 3 and data dot polyline coordinates is dot length is greater than 0. So guys, in this we have to insert one more condition, which is this. Okay, so in this, okay, I will copy this and give a and condition. So this means on the above, okay, also. So guys, this means that first I want to draw a polyline. Second, the control id is 3, which is related to saving the line and polygon. And third is like if you draw something, then you can save something. Okay, so this is the um, this is for polyline. So this condition is for polyline. Now let's do it for polygon. So id, the active plot id will be 3 and control dot id equal to 3, which means that you are saving your polygon. And third thing is that length, guys, for polygon I think length should be greater than 2. At least you like mark 3 um, 3 locations. Okay, so it will be greater than 2. So then what will happen, guys, in this line, this will be, guys, undefined, and polygon, guys, will be this data dot polyline coordinates. So this is for this managing controls. Okay, now let's come to the UI section. So in this UI section, guys, first of all I will copy this data id 2. Okay, so we will draw polyline only if the polyline is selected. So we will come inside this polyline. So in this polyline, guys, we will give it a condition that if your data dot active plot icon equal to 2, which means that you want to draw a polyline. Okay, then we will show this polyline, else it will be null. Okay, so this is the first condition. And the uh, in the above marker also, I will copy this because this marker is related to the polyline. So I will give a and condition in this. Okay, the start marker. And guys, I will copy this same thing, and if the id is 3, which means that we want to draw a polygon, so instead of this polyline we will import polygon. Okay, so let's come on the top and see. Yeah, so polygon is coming from react native maps. Okay my friends, and we will provide the coordinates same as this. Okay, now save it. So let me check if we want few more properties. Yes, so I will provide these 3 properties to my polygon. So stroke color guys, and second is fill color, which means that inside your polygon what will be the fill color. So let's draw a polygon. So when I select a polygon, you can see okay, so we got an error. So this is because to this polygon error. Okay, so not a big deal. What we will do, we will insert one more condition over here, like and. Okay, and data dot this coordinate dot length greater than 0. Okay friends, I think this will solve our error. Now I will open my app, reopen my app, and let's go inside this, and let's go click on the polygon. Yeah, so now we didn't get this error. So there are two conditions. If we are plotting polygon which is id equal to 3, second, if our polyline coordinate dot length is greater than 0, then we will do this. Okay, so coordinates and coordinates. Okay guys, so let's draw our polygon. Okay, so as you can see guys, that I'm drawing my polygon, and if I press on this x sign, you can see that polygon is completely gone. And if I press on this redo, you can see redo is also working fine. Okay, and if I click on save button, then we have to do a condition. Okay, so I think one more thing that I would like to do is to I will remove this condition, because when a user click on this map, then he could see that where he started drawing polygon like this and this. Okay, okay, now friends, what will happen, that when I click on save, then this condition will be, it falls in this condition where I say polygon, and we will come inside this, and in this guys, let's console.log the plot data. So console.log plot uh, plot data, and let's save this. So, and let's reconnect our dev tool. So when I click on this save button, so you can see this, so line is undefined, point is undefined, but in polygon guys, you can get these coordinates. Okay, because we are drawing polygon. Now we will come inside our code. So all the thing I think will kept same. Okay, so coordinates will be, if plot dot line, I think in this coordinates I'll just say if JSON, if plot dot line equal to undefined, uh, and I think if I will say that if plot data dot point not equal to undefined, then it means that we are plotting points, so this will be empty string, else it will be plot data dot I think it not would be the line. Okay guys, so to handle this thing properly, I will create a function. So I will say function, and I will name this like uh, coordinates to string. Okay, string, and I will give this, and I will call this coordinate to string like this. Okay, so now what will happen, like we will do if condition. So you say, I will say if plot data dot line uh, not equal to undefined, which means that user is creating a line, or we will start from the point. If plot data dot point is not equal to undefined, then return empty string. Then else if plot data dot line not equal to undefined, then we will say return json dot string phi plot data dot line. And else if plot data dot polygon not equal to undefined, then return json dot string phi plot data dot polygon. Okay, so this is the condition. If user is drawing point, then coordinates will be an empty string, but if he is drawing a line, then I will convert my JSON object to string. If it's converting like plotting polygon, I will convert my polygons, and this is how you can get coordinates. Okay, now just save this, and what should I name it? I will name it garden. Okay, and description will be children garden. Okay, like this, and I will submit it. Okay, so the problem is submit is not working, which means that we do some problem in our code. So result is not showing, which means there's a problem in the query. So first of all, I would like to wrap this thing in a try catch, because whenever we deal with the asynchronous things, we have to wrap things up in a try catch. So error, let's console.log the error. Okay, so now save it. Let's comment out this. Okay, now if we click on the submit, yeah, so you can see this error that address does not exist. Okay, so this is something strange. Oh, okay, I think we accidentally deleted the address. So const address equal to an empty string, and this plot type will also be the const. Okay, yeah, so now we will save it. When I click on submit, you can see that our data is saved, and we also get the message. Now what we will do, so whenever our data is saved, this on close called, and this on close, we are doing fetch data. Okay, fetch data. I think yeah, we are doing fetch data, and we will clear our polyline coordinates. So I think instead of this big logic, I will do this. Okay, yep. So whenever like I drew up, let's draw one more polygon. Okay, like this, and let's save it, and let's call it park. Okay, and let's call it a famous park. Okay, when I submit it, you can see that this polygon is gone because we are doing fetch data, and right now we will plot our polygon also. I will copy this. Okay, and in this if else, I will say else if our marker dot plot type equal to polygon, then return this, and I will pass the same thing over here. Okay, like this. So when I save it, you can see this is the two polygon that we draw, and I will provide key id. So yeah, so this is how you can draw polygon, how you can fetch data from SQLite and draw the already drawing polygon. So the thing is that when I switch to this, switching my like this polygon and this, I want let's draw a line also. Okay, so I will draw a line. This is my line. Okay, now I will save this. I will call track uh, bus track. Okay, and bus stop as a description. Submit. So as you can see, when I'm switching this, the line and polygons are visible, but what I want is like uh, when I switch to the polygon, only polygon will be shown, not line. Okay, so friends, for that I think the logic, we will build the logic over here, like if data dot active plot icon dot id equal to 2, which means that we need to show the polyline. Okay, so this is for polyline, and when id is 3, so this is for polygon, and when id is 1, so this is for point. So now you can see I just selected the polygon and the polygon are showing. When I say line, then you see the line, only line is showing. And when I switch to this, let's create a marker somewhere. Okay, create over here. I will call it hotel. Okay, and I will call it Chinese food. Submit. So you can see the marker, but when I switch to line, you can see the line, and when I switch to polygon, you can see the polygon only. Okay, so guys, this is it for today's video. I hope you like it. If you like it, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Till then, take care and have a good day.